Three, two, one, start. Applicability to avail of industrial incentive as promised. The claimant should have done some positive act in the policy period itself instantly. The petitioner did not do anything in regard to purchase of generator during the policy period and purchased it in 1995 when the new industrial policy was operative and that policy did not have any incentive towards generator. Therefore, his claim for subsidy on purchase of generator in 1995 is not substantiable. Full stop. Clause 6 Subsidy of power benefit was to be available for 5 years from the date of production and not to lapse with the life of the policy in 1998. Full stop. Section 4 and Section 2 and Rule 4B of Bihar Land Reform Rules 1951. Appeal from an order passed under Section 4 would lie not to the collector but to the collector of the district. Additional collector is not the collector of the district expression. Collector of the district cannot be read along with the definition clause as concept of collector in the proviso, and the rules are repugnant to each other, where the statute itself provides that the appeal would be to the collector of the district, that being the legislative mandate. Collector of the district has no authority to delegate the matter to another, who may be of the rank of collector or may be collector as defined for the purpose of the Act. Order passed by the incompetent authority suffering from vice of quorum non judice set aside. Full stop. Section 4 and Section 2 and Rule 4B of Bihar Land Reforms Rules 1951. A right order by a wrong forum is no order jurisdiction, cannot be conferred except by legislature or under authority of the legislature. Even consent cannot confer jurisdiction. If the order is bad for want of jurisdiction, mere appearance of the parties would not make such an order valid for which authority had no jurisdiction to take cognizance of the matter. Full stop. Section 4 and Section 2 and Rule 4B. Belated raising of objection as to jurisdiction of additional collector to decide the appeal. Where an authority lacks jurisdiction, there is no question of waiver or estoppel or acquiescence to apply. Mere appearance of party would not confer jurisdiction on the authority. It the said authority otherwise lacks jurisdiction. Full stop. Section 5 Cancellation of sale deed executed by landholder. Cancellation order passed simply on personal assumption that the consideration money was much lower than market value of the land, also on the ground that land was purchased from someone who was not authorized to transfer it, without verifying the facts from the record orders passed by the authorities, are completely bad, illegal, and unsustainable, and show a patent lack of application of mind and a determination to grab the land of anyone on any pretext. Petitioner's objection ought to have been allowed at the first stage by the sub-divisional officer himself Impugned orders set aside petitioners' land directed to be excluded from land sealing proceeding held against landholder and from any notifications issued in that proceeding. Full stop.